Yeah, we got steam coming out and starting to get a little drippage. Don't want no drippage. We just had a really good day going down rock slides and stuff at Stone Mountain. So now we're gonna eat a little bit. And I'm gonna try out this new rice boiler by Valtcan, 100% titanium. Got the lid with the perforated on there. It's got a little strainer type bowl on the inside. Nice little pot, man. Use that little pot for anything. So I gotta grab, what is this, about a cup of rice? Mm-hmm. Right, honey? Yep. Rice in the middle like that. I think we should at least cover the rice with water. What do you think? Because last time we tried it,
it didn't work.
It didn't cook it. So we rinse that rice out. Probably
definitely more than 2 cups.
Well, I don't think it matters. There needs to be water up above it, I think. Because a lot of the water is going to evaporate out of it. That should do it, I think. It's wet. It's wet. Last time we didn't wet the rice.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Let's do a little more. If nothing else,
we'll have crunchy rice.
If nothing else, you can get your rice out easy after it's cooked. Mm-hmm. Right? Okay. Boom, boom, baby. So we're gonna get this lid locked down. Uh-oh, what's happening here?
It's not straight.
I'm an idiot. I'm starving, that's why. Okay. We're gonna use this big side over here instead of the small side. Or should we just do the small side? Let's do the small side. This is the first time using this stove, man. I didn't bring a glove one.
20 minutes.
We'll know when it's boiling. Man, these shelters up here at the Stone Mountain, they're nice, man. Mm-hmm. Got the fireplace. Wintertime, we come up here and have a fire and just hang out. Right, guys? Did y'all eat your food?
Mm-hmm. No, they're eating chips. They didn't eat their food. I'm eating candy. There's what, cheese sticks or anything?
It's about a medium. Love. We don't want to go too high. We'll just go about medium. About medium strength. Let that thing boil. Yeah. Yeah, we got steam coming out and it's starting to get a little drippage. Don't want no drippage. Be careful with that suck in your mouth, boy. Hey Bryce, say what's up.
Hi.
Been a while since you've been on the YouTube video, huh?
Yeah.
What you eating?
Just back in my backpack.
It's melted being in the car all day.
Twix?
Yeah. I was with the one.
I think that storm's passing to the north. This versatile titanium camping pot comes with everything that you see here. It's made out of 100% titanium and weighs only 21.3 ounces. Here are the product dimensions. Turn the burner off and check it. Let it sit. Let it set for a little bit. Right.
Yep.
And we'll come. I'm right here.
Hey, you're in it.
Let it set for a little bit and check it. Check it, check it, check it, check it. All right. The missus is gonna check it. Look at that. Here, use this. Use this. It says Valtcan on it.
Okay. Hey, that worked this time. All right.
Okay. Good deal. So we're gonna set the rice to the side. Don't set it on the lid. Turn the lid over.
Touch it. It's hot.
We're gonna dump the water because this is the only pot we got.
Just do it over the edge, or
Yeah. A little starch ain't gonna hurt nobody. All right, don't even bother wiping it out. So now, got the olive oil. I can do this. You don't have to do it.
sounds good to me.
Let's go ahead and crank it back up. Got some extra virgin olive oil right there. It's already getting hot.
You're supposed to add a little bit of that.
No, we're just gonna fry it up. That's probably good. that stir. I've got some chicken thighs that we grilled with some barbecue seasoning the other day, yesterday. Let's do all that chicken. Chicken's already cooked. And right here, we got some brown sugar. A little bit of white pepper, black pepper, and salt. Whip it up, Mom. You don't want this to stick. Hold what you got. Hit it with a little bit of that Wash Your Sister sauce. A little bit of that soy boy sauce. Yeah, just let that go like that. Pot we got, and we forgot to bring camping plates.
Put the whole thing in?
So just don't get any on the stove, please.
I'll do my best.
Just throw it in and stir it up. And we'll just eat it like that. It cooked that rice good that time because we had the water up high enough. You could use this as a strainer for, you know, anything like pasta or whatever.
Mac and cheese for the kids.
Mac and cheese. Yeah, but you don't need a strainer for mac and cheese.
Okay.
Why?
Because after you cook the noodles, you gotta strain the water out.
Oh yeah.
Turn this off.
And stir that dude up. So you and I will share this potluck stir fry, right?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, damn, it's hot. Yeah, nice little pot right here. Valtcan. Put the link down in the description. I think it's a pot that we'll be using a lot when we go camping, don't you?
I agree.
Valtcan has all kinds of awesome products. Military style canteens, bushcraft pots. Titanium is awesome. When you're in the woods, heats up super fast. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. See you on the next one.